Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shantanu Sharma, HOD of Physiotherapy Department in UEM Jaipur. Today I am going to show you some general exercises for the general fitness of the body which we all can do in this period of lockdown as we all are having sedentary lifestyle in this time. These exercises will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes and in these exercises I will repeat movements of all the joints of body starting from neck to the ankle. These movements we have to repeat each and every movement 10 times at our own comfortable speed, avoiding the jerks in between. So starting from the neck, first rotation of the neck towards left, then coming to the center and then going towards right. As much as possible we have to rotate the neck towards each side 10 times. Then coming to the bending of neck, sideways bending, first towards left side, coming to the center and then going towards right. This also we have to repeat 10 times on each side. Then coming to the bending of neck, forward bending, coming to the center, then backward bending. So this is for the neck, 3 exercises which we have to repeat for 10 times each at our own comfortable speed. Coming to the shoulder joint, we will generally do rotation of the joint. In this single movement, all the muscles of the shoulder joint are being used. So for rotation, we have to make our hand straight in front. With the other hand, we have to support in the armpit. And then rotation first clockwise 10 times and then anti-clockwise. We have to try to make as much big circle as possible. Then we have to repeat the same with the other shoulder joint. Then coming to the elbow, bending the elbow completely and then making it straight. All these exercises we have to do in a slow speed to avoid jerks. Then to the wrist joint, bending the wrist down and up. Both these movements 10 times. Then rotation of the wrist joint, same, first in clockwise 10 times and then in opposite direction 10 times. Then coming to the back, for all these exercises we have to stand shoulder width apart. Now for the back, first rotation of the back, go as much back as possible, rotating the neck also along with the back. Repeat on each side 10 times. Then lateral bending or sideways bending, go as much down as possible. Move down your hand on your leg as much down as possible. We all should feel stretch on the opposite side while performing this movement. Both the side we have to do for 10 times. Then forward and backward bending. Slowly go down, keeping your knees straight as much as possible. Then stand straight and go back. Then coming in the center, again bending down, straight and then go back as much as possible. Again I am telling, we have to do all these exercises at a comfortable speed, avoiding any jerk. Then coming to the hip joint. For hip joint, rotation of the hip as we had done in the shoulder. Try to make as much big circle as possible. Same, clockwise 10 times and then anti-clockwise 10 times. In this exercise, if anyone is having problem in the balance, we can always take support from the chair or the wall. Then we have to repeat the same with the other hip joint. 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Then coming to the knee joint, we have to bend the knee joint towards our chest as much close to the chest as possible. Feel the stretch and then leave. Repeat with the other leg. This exercise also 10 times for each leg. Then coming to the ankle joint, we have to rotate ankle also same as we had rotated the wrist joint. Clockwise 10 times, then anti-clockwise 10 times. Repeat with the same with the other ankle joint. So this all covering these exercises had covered all the joints of the body. Main precaution while doing these exercises is if you are having any problem like back pain, neck pain, and you are undergoing any treatment for that. So before doing these exercises, you should always consult your physiotherapist that your body is ready for these exercises or not. Stay healthy, stay safe.
Hello everyone. I am Professor Dr. Vishwajoy Chatterjee. I am the Vice Chancellor of University of Engineering and Management, UEM Jaipur. Today I am going to talk to those students who want to pursue a career in medical but somehow did not have the opportunity to pursue MBBS. Now question is there any alternative? There are several alternatives, but I am going to talk about a special alternative which is BPT. And the speciality about this alternative is that in this profession, physiotherapy, which you become a physiotherapist after completing a course of 4.5 years in BPT, you can write a doctor in front of your name, followed by a PT at the end. I repeat, BPT or Bachelor of Physiotherapy is a 4.5 years degree course, 4.5 years degree course, where after completion of this, you become a doctor in physiotherapy. You can write a doctor in front of your name, followed by a PT at that end. It is a wonderful alternative for a medical profession. If you want to be a doctor, then this is a wonderful profession, wonderful option if you are having some problem not to pursue MBBS. Let me tell you that a physiotherapist has got some advantage over the other medical professions that you can think of. Immediately a profession that may come to your mind is nursing. You might think I can also intend to study nursing as an alternative of medical profession, alternative of MBBS. But remember, in nursing, if you become a nurse, then you don't become independent like a doctor. A physiotherapist can open his or her own chamber where a patient can directly visit without being referred to by a doctor. Whereas in case of nursing, you become a nurse where you need to work under a doctor either in a hospital or in his or her own chamber. So that is the advantage of having a course, a degree of physiotherapy. Nowadays, you can see around, there are several chambers that are opened by physiotherapists where people visit normally without being referred by doctor. People do have problems, who have orthopedic problems, who have other problems. They directly visit the physiotherapist and remain under a physiotherapist under long treatment. You can understand that this course or being a physiotherapist is of immense opportunities, of immense advantage at that time. Now, I would like to also tell you that being a physiotherapist, what are the career options that you might have? See, you can become a sports therapist. You know that in sports, physiotherapists are needed continuously with sports person. You can become a sports therapist. You can become a physiotherapist with your own chamber, which I have already mentioned. Several hospitals, or if not all, needs a lot of physiotherapists and keeps a lot of physiotherapists because it normally says that in an operation, whenever an operation is done, a physiotherapist must be involved in it. As a result, the different hospitals have got enormous number of physiotherapists in it. As I said, you can have your own chamber. Then the other option that is possible is a public health official. You can go for a government job and you can become a health officer. Though this job is partially admin, but you get more and more responsibility with seniority. So these are the several options that you have. Comes the respect. If you say, are the physiotherapists given the same respect as the doctor? Yes, I can write doctor in front of my name, I can put a PT at the end, but are the physiotherapists given the same respect? In some other countries, I have seen that the physiotherapists are given more respect compared to the doctors only because of the reason that physiotherapists treat without medicine, whereas doctors treat with medicine. Without medicine, you are treating a patient and treating him and making him absolutely fit for regular life. So that is the beauty of this course. I will invite all of you to come to this course, join this course, and if you talk about some other points in physiotherapy, that is also there. I can tell you some other point which I had noted down, like hospitals, as I said, need physiotherapists in ICU, IPD, OPD, and definitely there are several options in sports therapy, government jobs, as I mentioned. Now, the course name is BPT, and I invite you all, if you are interested in this course, then you might call in the given phone number 9887313330 for my university, which is University of Engineering and Management, UEM Jaipur. If you are interested, you call in this number and you can enroll for this course. You get the opportunity to become a doctor in physiotherapy. I will invite all of you to come to this course. Our university has got several tie-ups with several hospitals all around. They do a lot of internships, our students. They get involved with the hospitals right from the beginning. Right from the beginning of the course, they become involved with the doctors, they become involved with the hospitals, they spend their time in the hospitals, they learn. So these are so many options that you get right from the beginning. Apart from that, our students are continuously involving themselves in medical camps. They conduct frequent medical camps where patients come and they treat the patients directly during their student tenure. When they are students, they are doing this so that they get the practical exposure and become professional when they actually get the opportunity. So these are the several options, and one more thing I missed out is in our university, patients directly come. We have got a hospital associated with us in our campus where patients directly come for physiotherapy and the students directly get an option to treat those patients under the supervision of their teachers who are doctors. I invite you all to UEM Jaipur, University of Engineering and Management, UEM Jaipur. You can note down the number 9887313330. Till this situation is over, the situation of crisis COVID-19 is over, the entire course is possible to be conducted or taken in online mode. Till the situation is over. Thank you. Thanks to all of you. Note down the number 9887313330.